Hello and welcome to English 100. I figure that since this is a summer course, I'll just wear shades for the entirety of the course. I'm kidding. Hi, my name is Tony Berman and I will be the instructor for this English 100 course. I want to take a few moments now at the beginning of the course to take you through two things. I want to take you through number one, the syllabus, and number two, I want to take you through how the course will work online. So to begin, let's take a look at the syllabus. And we'll start with just some of the nuts and bolts. Here's my email address here, aberman@miracosta.edu, and you'll find that throughout the course, many of you will be emailing me directly, and I'll be corresponding with you via email, so it's good to make sure that you've got that noted. You'll also see how we're working with office hours. I have conceived of this course as operating Monday through Thursday, much like it would if it was an on-site course. And so my office hours are actually 9 to 5, Monday through Thursday. That is, if you email me between 9 and 5, Monday through Thursday, I'll get back to you within an hour or two. If you email me outside of those times, I'll get back to you within 24 hours. So you will definitely be hearing frequently from me, and I'm readily available via email. Now, the course itself, English 100, is a course that's devoted to college level reading and writing. And for us, that means a few things. Number one, it means that we're going to be reading a variety of materials. We'll be reading a novel over the next 6 weeks. We'll be reading lots of articles that come from newspapers and magazines. And then we'll also be reading some academic writing. So we'll be reading some chapters from books, some academic books, etc. And in terms of your own writing, you guys will be writing a variety of things. Each week, you'll be adding to a blog that each of you will have, and so you'll be writing about 1,000 words a week on that blog. And then there are 3 major assignments that you guys will do, and those assignments come in every 2 weeks. So that gives you a sense of how the course is designed. The course itself has 3 major units, and so we do the first unit, and then you have a major assignment, the second unit, a major assignment, and the third unit, and a major assignment. And so on the syllabus, there's descriptions of what we'll be covering in each of those units. For the course, you basically need access to Blackboard, and if you're watching this, obviously you have access to Blackboard. And then you guys also need to make sure that you have a hard copy of Fahrenheit 451, and I have added an online version that you can use at least for the first week while you're getting your hands on a hard copy, but you will be using that novel throughout the course, so I want to make sure that you can get your hands on it. Grading is incredibly straightforward for the course. There are 100 points. And there are 60 points for the 3 major assignments. There are 36 points devoted to the blogs that you'll be doing throughout the course, and there are 4 final points for your overall participation. And that has to do with things like, did you get everything in on time? Right? Did you let things just go by the wayside, right? So as long as you stay on track, you should be able to get those 4 points as well. Now, how does this course work in the online environment? I spoke to that a little bit earlier when I talked about thinking about the course working Monday through Thursday. And basically, I have the course designed such that you guys will be handing in materials 3 days a week. You'll be handing in materials on Mondays, Tuesdays, and Thursdays. Okay. Each week, you guys will be reading essays that I've provided in the folders. You'll be reading sections from the novel. You'll be taking a look at some of the lectures that I have in the folders. And then you guys will be writing on your own blogs. And then you guys will also be drafting some of the bigger projects. So that's what you can expect. What I'd like to do now is give you a sense of how this course is actually going to work if you look at the online site, if we look at Blackboard. And so let's take a look at Blackboard. Here we go. Et voila. Here's the site. I tried to organize things as clearly as I possibly can. So as you scroll, you'll see that there's an introduction to the course, and obviously you guys access that because that's where this video is housed. I also have a course resources link, and that gives you like that Fahrenheit 451 online edition. It gives you other resources, grammar websites, etc. that we'll be using throughout the course. And so I put some of the resources or course resources into that folder throughout the course. I'll be adding more. And then I have one folder dedicated to each unit. And so right now you can see that we have the Unit 1 folder for weeks 1 and 2, and I have the calendar here so you can see the due dates for everything. And if you go ahead and open that folder, that'll take you to the schedule for the first week. And so I have the due dates for the first 3 blogs, and then for each of the assignments, I have a folder. And so here you can see the introductory blog, the reading 1 and blog 1, reading 2 and blog 2, etc. And so that's how I've organized the semester, or the 6 weeks. I guess it is a semester. You can see how those folders work. You just go into the folder for the week that we're on, and I have all of the materials there. When you look at that folder, let's open this one here, you'll see that I provide the materials. And so for the introductory blog, I'm giving you the video about how to create blogs, and I'm giving you the assignment. If you click on the assignment, it takes you to the blogs page, and then you read the work that we're doing, and then you can respond accordingly. So let's go back to the home page here, and you'll see that everything starts from the home page, and everything is a click away. The last little thing I want to mention right now is I have a forum for the course that I call I Get By With a Little Help from My Friends. And this forum is a place that all students can go to ask questions. You can ask questions to other students about due dates. You can ask questions if you're confused. And so other students can come in and you guys can help each other out on that forum. I also go into the forum and answer questions as well. Now, this isn't a forum where I'm forcing you guys to go in and post a question every week. This is a forum that just exists so that we can speak with each other and make sure that we have a sound understanding of what's happening each week. So there's the introduction to the syllabus. There's the introduction to the website. I hope that this gives you some clarification of what we'll be doing over the next 6 weeks. Welcome to the course. I'm looking forward to it. Take care.